Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can fix the App Store that cannot connect on your iPhone. Let's check the App Store first. Let's just open into the app library and then just type App Store. Click it to open it. So if you already have this type of looks on your App Store, wait a minute. This means that you cannot even open any applications. So if you got this problem, you just need to go back into your home screen and open your settings. The next thing you need to do is just go back and go open the Wi-Fi. Make sure that you connect into the Wi-Fi that have a stable connections for it. And if you already got the connections, you can back check your App Store. The next thing you need to do, if this one doesn't work, just go back. Now take a look on this mobile service. Go click it and make sure that you already turn on the mobile data. Go tap it. And whenever it's already have a connection, now you just need to scrolling down and make sure that the App Store here is already turned on with the green color for the button. And now you just need to go back into your home screen and open back your App Store. And see, now you can access any application from your phone with the App Store. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.